Lucas Heavy Duty Oil Stabilizer versus STP Oil Treatment. Which is best for your engine? Well, there's only one way to find out. Here we go with Battle of the Titans. Guys, as you remember, Lucas, when it became very popular, it seemed we saw these displays everywhere showing just how great Lucas actually did compared to plain engine oil. However, what about a competing additive? I believe that another quality additive could possibly do just as good, if not better. You could definitely see the difference here. The plain oil didn't hold up. Now for STP synthetic oil treatment. Guys, if this brand can't fare, we definitely know the lower quality brand wouldn't fare as well. So we'll go ahead and show you how we mix up the Lucas formula with the Amazon Basics engine oil. You just add it to a coffee pot, brings it to around operating temperatures of an engine. Then go ahead, drill our holes in top of the display. This way we can go ahead and empty out the oil and the Lucas additive, because we want to make sure that the formula is precise for each one. One good question is, do you believe the display actually proves anything or not? They say seeing is believing. Well, now we have the STP formula and we're ready to mix it up. As you see, we follow the directions stated by the manufacturer. Now we'll go ahead and add the engine oil. Guys, I also perform wear tests with a lubricity testing machine and test it against the viscosity to see how it affects engine oil viscosity. This, however, is in different videos if you'd like to see that one as well. But we know if there's an extra layer of motor oil on the metal parts within the engine, then we can say that for sure it's providing more protection. Always be sure and let me know anything that we can do to improve the test or some other additive or formula you would like to see compared next. Because the best ideas, information, knowledge comes from the NA community, sharing with one another. So if you have a question, if I don't answer it, I'm sure someone else will. Now we'll go ahead and add 2 ounces to each compartment. This also accounts for the cup as well, so it comes out to 2.2 ounces. We'll do the same for both. But of course, after I drilled the holes in the compartments, yeah, I definitely had to clean out some of the plastic gunk inside of those compartments from drilling. I can't wait to see these results. I'm really curious. I always thought it was a pretty cool display. I haven't really seen any other additive company do in auto parts stores before or even since. And I was curious to see if another additive could do just as well. So let me know what you think after seeing the results. Does it seem the same? As you see, we have the Lucas on the right. We went ahead and added it to the name they were originally on this testing machine, and on the left, the STP. Seemed to do fairly well. But if you look from both sides and compare them at the same time, I would have to give the edge to Lucas on this one. Not very scientific, but pretty interesting. As always, guys, thanks for watching Nate's Interactive Auto.